Hi guys, this is Asal. I'm studying for the bar and I wanted to review my notes with you. So today I'm studying professional responsibility and I'll be going over the general rule of confidentiality, and finally I'll finish up my video with authorized disclosure. The first thing I'll be talking about is the model rule 1.6a. Then I'll be going over client authorization of disclosure, informed consent, and finally confidentiality, work product doctrine, and the attorney-client privilege, which I've already made a video. What is the model rule of professional conduct 1.6a? This rule states that a lawyer shall not reveal information relating to the representation of a client unless the client gives informed consent. So what do I mean by informed consent? So you can find that in Rule 1.0a. We are going to look at the communication, which must be adequate information and explanation. It must be a material risk, and finally, there must be reasonable available alternatives. So, the next thing I'll be talking about are the authorized disclosures. This you'll find under the Model Rule 1.6a. You are going to look at the informed consent versus the implied consent. So what is the Model Rule of Professional Conduct 1.6a? This rule states that a lawyer shall not reveal information relating to the presentation of a client unless the client gives informed consent. The disclosure is impliedly authorized in order to carry out the representation. So, what do I mean by implied authorization? Implied authorization is when it is meant to carry out the representation. And also there's going to be some express limitations that might apply. So in this video, I just talked about the general rule of confidentiality and also authorized disclosure. I really hope you enjoyed this, and good luck studying.